Welcome back, everybody, to Everyday Off-Road. Out in the driveway again with our donor vehicle, our 2003 WJ, aka Warren. It's a little cold this morning. Got my beverage of choice. We started tearing into the WJ to start dismantling. We got into a bit of a stepping stone. We need to remove the gas tank. Sadly, it's about half full, and you know what? I don't feel like wrestling with it. So we're gonna take you over here and show you what we have gotten done so far, and then show you how we empty gas tanks around here. See, now I wish to reuse the gas tank, so drilling a hole in it and draining it is not part of the plan. So grab your beverage of choice. Let's go. There's a hint. And there's more of a hint. What we've done so far, we've got the hatch removed. We unbolted the lifts, undid the 6 bolts and hold the hinges in. Removed him. Sadly, we did have to do some cutting. I didn't show it on here, but there's a big chunk of wires that goes into the harness that we had to cut. As you can see, we got our interior light hanging. I should just disconnect that. We have all the interior panels out here in the back. Roof rack's gone. Tail lights are out. Quarter vents are gone. Bumper covers off. We even removed the energy absorber foam that was on here. This thing was hit previously because the foam was all destroyed. I'm not going to show you what's underneath here because this is one of the reasons why we got to remove the tank. I need to drain this well of water, and I don't want to drill down, make some drain holes, and risk damaging the tank. So let's show you what we got up here. Like I said, there was not much of a cleaning. I am getting rich because I'm finding change galore. The wiring harness to the passenger's rear has been tagged, along with the driver's side wiring harness. I need to get my tagging to get the fuel pump wire and the ABS wires, and then I can scoot the fuel pump wires down in and the ABS wires underneath, so we can start dismantling the major chunks of the rear. As you see, the seats are gone. I'm leaving the driver's seat for now. It's just one of those things. I just like the driver's seat in for a little while. The doors are ready to come off. At least this one is. Let me show you a really stupid design that Jeep decided to make. Alright. Rear door. There's the hinges. You see the stupid idiot design yet? Do I have to point it out? Yes, if you guessed that bolt, you are 100% correct. They decided not only to do it up here, but down there also. Which makes adjusting the door more time consuming because you have to remove the interior panels. Good job, Jeep. Good job. Also, the electrics for the rear door are easily enough just disconnected here and pushed into the door jamb. Alright, stupid design number 2 on the WJ. Over here on the driver's side, underneath the gas flap here, behind the bumper cover, you will find this. What is this, you may ask? Well, if you've been following us on our ZJ with a reoccurring evap leak, you'll recognize that as a leak detection pump. Leak detection pump filter and a vacuum canister. Where is that located? Behind the rear wheel well. Really, Jeep? Good job. Good job. Let's take you up front and show you how we're going to go about draining that gas tank. Okay, up underneath our hood here, we need to find our Schrader valve on our fuel rail, which for us, luckily, is right there. That little thing right there. What is a Schrader valve? It is, well, more or less a tire stem or valve stem for your fuel rail. When you remove this cap, let's do it this way. Don't lose this. Keeps dirt out of there. Inside there, you will find a normal valve stem that you would see on your tires. And we need to remove that tool, so I have a tire stem removal tool. Also, be careful not to lose that. One other thing, if the vehicle has recently been run, there will be pressure in that line. Pressure and gas. So when removing it, have a rag handy. Now, for us, this has not been started in a couple days. Let's get in there. There still is a little bit of gas in there. Even though I don't need it, I do like to put the rag down in there just in case I become a butterfinger and drop the valve. All right. See if we can get you focused in on that. It's just a standard valve stem you would find in your tire. Do not lose this. You're going to want to link the hose, preferably one that fits over the housing. Now, for our purposes, this is the overflow hose I cut because the overflow looks like crap. I may not even use it. I will replace this. I heated up the end with the lighter a little bit and pushed it on there previously. So you can see it's a little bulged out. Let's get him on there. Tight fit? Awesome. Now, you're going to want a gas can. Now, for our purposes, right now all I have is this, what is it, 1.5 gallon? 1 gallon, hey! That's gonna make for some fun work. I'm gonna put that over here off to the side. See if I can wedge it in between the master cylinder. There we go. And of course, you know, put the hose in. Now we go over there. Over there. Oh, that beverage of choice. Oh, beverage of choice. Yes, 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 yes. Here you go. Let's put you over here. All right. You want to come over here to your fuse and relay center. Open it up. And find your fuel pump relay. Which, luckily for me, I have already done. With this guy right here. I've also removed it previously. Normally you would use something like a channel locks. Careful not to crush the relay. Now, you look in the opening. This is the control side of the relay. That's the work side. That one right there, let's get a pointer here. This port right here is powered, constant power. This is ground to the relay. I mean, ground to the fuel pump. The control through the relay, when it's required, will activate the relay and connect them to. You know, the way relays usually do. But what we want to do is we don't want to use that. We want to use jump wire 2.0. Why is it so long? Well, it gives me something to grab onto in case something happens. So, let's get you guys set up. Now I'm gonna put the wire in there and then go over to there, the old prop rod, and make sure that we are filling up. This is one thing I did not check. So we will bring you back in a few seconds. All right, jump wires in. When you connect them, you should hear the fuel pump kick, which thankfully for us, there's no interior. The sound is not deadened. Let's go over here. Oh yeah. Now you gotta watch. You know, 1 gallon is gonna fill up really quick. That's why you got the loop on the wire. I think they're running mid-grade. What it smells like. I'm gonna remove that strainer in there. All right. Normally I do this with a 5 gallon, but I can't find my 5 gallon right now. We had a windstorm and it kind of took off. So we'll bring you back when we have sufficiently drained that gas tank. Hey, we are officially out of gas. Good. Oh, in the meantime, we did a little more surgery. We removed both rear doors, all the weather stripping, all the trim, some of the carpeting. We got more of our wiring labeled. Found a ton load more change. Got the driver's seat out, so now we are now seatless. So the pile grows and grows. So it's starting to get cold and I can feel a couple drops. We're supposed to be getting snow, rain kind of mix. So we're going to call it a day here. I'd like to thank you guys for stopping by watching this tear into, well, yeah, I really can't really watch. I didn't video it because all it would be is a video of my backside. And let me tell you, you don't want to see my backside. I don't want to see my backside. So, I can thank you guys for stopping by, catching up with what's going on here with Donor. Don't worry. We'll be working on the Firebird soon enough. Next time, we're going caveman. We're getting out the power tools, and we're going to be cutting, and we're going to be cutting, and we're going to be making big piles of metal. But first, that tank has to come out. Tank comes out, and I got to do the headliner because I want to section that roof out. So, if you haven't already, do me a favor and click the subscribe button. Like the video, give us a big thumbs up. Have anything to say? Comments, questions, concerns, criticisms? Leave them in the comment box below. So, for Donor, the bad boys, the bird, I'm Mike. We'll catch you guys later.